अभी मैं बारिस्टा में हूँ और यहाँ पे एक स्पेशल लॉन्च हुई है भाई, कॉफ़ी विद क्रैनबेरी। ये एक स्पेशल लॉन्च यहाँ पे होने वाला है। अभी हम ऊपर जाएंगे, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वगैरह है। मतलब क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जो आप कैपेचिनो पीते हो या फ्रैपे पीते हो, आपको अगर उसमें आपको अगर क्रैनबेरी मिल जाए तो आपको कैसा लगेगा, कैसा फील आएगा, कैसा टेस्ट होगा, हेल्दी भी होगा क्योंकि डायबिटीज शुगर वगैरह बहुत फैल रही है हमारे देश में। तो शुगर ना हो, क्रैनबेरी की ही वो मिठास हो, कैसा फील होगा, अच्छा लगेगा ना। तो बस वही है, आज यहाँ पे फ्यूजन देखने को मिलेगा, क्रैनबेरी विद कॉफी। तो देखते हैं कैसा है, कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्या है, देखते हैं ऊपर जाके क्या कुछ। कैसा लगा भाई आपको ये जो नई टाइप की कॉफ़ी आप पी रहे हैं?
क्रैनबेरी
क्रैनबेरी
मोका
मोका।
कॉफ़ी है, बढ़िया है। चॉकलेट फ्लेवर हल्का सा आ रहा है क्रैनबेरी से जो ऊपर से डाला है। फ्लेवर बढ़िया है, प्लस हेल्दी है। प्लस क्रैनबेरी है तो हेल्दी है, अच्छी है।
अच्छी है। आप भी यही पी रहे सेम मोका? मौका पाती मौका पी रही हैं आप?
ये
क्रैनबेरी
अच्छी है, जो इससे पहले वाली थी तो आई डोंट लाइक दैट, बट ये अच्छी है एज कम्पेयर गर्मी के अकॉर्डिंग।
चॉकलेट प्लस।
तो अच्छा लग रहा है, टेस्टी क्रैनबेरी का तो टेस्ट बड़ा अच्छा आ रहा है। ओके।
Hi sir, I'm Yatin. I'm from HM Digital Reviews. I just want to ask, how is this association took place? Because cranberry, as we know, that is kind of an expensive fruit in market in India. So how will it going to be like? Is it affordable for people who want to sip coffee, to take a sip of coffee of a barista? So what will be the price of this coffee, especially associated to? I just want to ask that.
So I won't get into the exact SKU price because that Rajat will guide you. From this work that we do with foreign foods in India, somehow the perception is it's very expensive. It's actually not. If you look at cranberries, it is at par with any other dry fruit. So if there is a consumer that eats dry fruit and nuts, cranberries will not be expensive at all from that perspective. Also, 1 kilo में बहुत cranberry आता है. So there is also that element because it's dehydrated. I just wanted to add is that we do all this promotion with a lot of support that we get from the US Department of Agriculture. So I wanted to acknowledge Karen here. Karen Richards. She's almost becoming a Delhi wala. Huh? So it's been a year now here in the embassy, and this is your first summer, right?
Yes.
Real summer.
Yes.
No, but we are very thankful. Thank you for being there.
Rajat, would you like to answer on the SQ point?
So,
Yeah.
what Sumit said, from a pricing parity, it's not a very expensive route to source. And the way we have developed our integrations is keeping in mind the pricing points which prevail in the category. So it is not beyond the category pricing which you have for similar products. And we have kept that in mind while we have priced these products.
And by the way, I mean, we work a lot in this area, and we've actually just finished a very detailed research on Gen Z consumption. And there is enough, and you'll be surprised, there's enough and more consumers in India who are willing to pay a little extra.
Yeah.
What they believe is nutritious and healthy. And this is a very post-COVID change, but a very distinct, substantive change happening in consumer behavior. Especially the middle and the upper middle class consumer, price is not the number one decision-making factor. It is an important factor, but not the only factor.
I think we all concur with that, right? I mean, over the years, and especially during COVID and post-COVID, our eating habits have absolutely changed. And I think we all will agree with that. We do look forward to at least something which is better in terms of its health value and is not necessarily all sugar loaded, and also something which is naturally available and not synthetic. So I think we all concur to that, and if we get innovations like this, which becomes even tasty and delicious to eat, I think it just adds on to the whole thing of adding value to it. So anybody else would like to ask anything? It's open now.
सर ये जो चीज़ें हैं सबसे पहले तो अवेलेबल थी पहले भी, लेकिन एक आइडिया दिमाग में आता कि इन चीज़ों को कॉन्सेप्ट हमें लेके आना, तो इस सर के दिमाग में पहले आइडिया है आपके?
चिका चिका दिमाग में आया। हमारे पास आइडिया ये आया था कि हमने पिस्ता का काम किया था बरिस्ता के साथ। तो दो चीज़ होती है कि मेरा पुराना बैकग्राउंड इज ऑफ अ रिटेलर, दैट I used to be with a large retail chain. I used to head their international foods. So one of the things that we do is I don't do photo ops. We do 2-4 photo picture, 2-4 promotion, something like. So with Rajat, I found that exactly the same thought process. So that we'll only do is if we can drive volume with this, and that's why you just go 200 stores and then see how it goes, and that's where the promotions come in, and that's where ideation comes in, and that's where like find and test comes in.
सर एनी डिफिकल्टी यू फेस्ड वाइल, कोई ऐसी डिफिकल्टी आपने पर्टिकुलरली कुछ ऐसा फेस किया वाइल क्रिएटिंग सच अ हेल्थ बेनिफिशियल प्रोडक्ट? सर आप बताएं रजत सर, कुछ ऐसी डिफिकल्टी कुछ आपने फेस किया?
See, whenever we do a product integration, the ethos is that how does the supply chain works to make it reach the end mile. And while the chef's team and the culinary team is at task to really create a wonderful product, the idea is to always make the availability. And one thing which is very, very relevant is when we talk about any integration is the availability of the product. So which is where we found that this is a product which is available at a mass level, and which is why we were able to kind of replicate this at such a large mass. When we look at healthy integration, so this is not for the first time we are looking at a healthy zone in our cafe opportunity. Today we have a large set of menu which is a zero sugar menu. So which is again something which is again for the mass which wants to have no sugar in their beverages. There's a complete range of beverages which is available. And similar is the integration for some of these products like cranberry. So it also touched upon on the health benefits, and there is a lot of data to read. And again, the idea is to look at how do we integrate in the day-to-day food which we are consuming. And that's how this integration came.
I would like to also add that there is a full R&D department in Barista with the chefs, etc. And there's a whole couple of tastings that are done. So it's not like it doesn't come up just suddenly कि एक matcha cake बनाते हैं with cranberries. There is actually layers of tasting and testing that is done in the recipes before we reach it. It's a process that together has taken us almost 3 months to decide this is the sort of menu that we want to keep and this is what goes. So it's also about health, it's also about taste, and I think with Barista understands its consumer and what will work for them, and they have to also integrate that what is going on and what's the future. So there's a process. It's a long process. It takes 2 to 3 easily months to actually come down to these 3-4 menu categories. Anyone? Yeah.
तो क्रेनबेरी दूसरे कॉफी चैन में आ चुके हैं, बरिस्टा इंडिया में पहली बार लेके आए क्रेनबेरी कॉफी कुछ।
हाँ बरिस्टा नहीं कर
Hello.
रहा।
Yeah. So cranberry in India, I think we are the first chain. There may be mom and pop store जो छोटे लेवल पे काम करते हैं उन्होंने शायद किया होगा, बट किसी ने ऑर्गेनाइज लेवल पे इतने बड़े स्केल पे इसका इंटीग्रेशन अभी तक नहीं किया। So बरिस्टा एक पहली चेन है जिसने इतने मास लेवल पे इसका इंटीग्रेशन किया।
और कुछ सवाल?
Anyone? Or should we just open it up for everyone to taste now the menu?
Yeah, let's taste it.
Then we can see now.
Thank you so much, Rajay. Thank you so much, Sumit, for bringing this activation together and giving us this opportunity to try something new and different
किसका
in
बज
the
रहा है?
country. And I
किसका
think
बज
this is
रहा है?
fabulous. Yes, sir.
I just want to thank everybody for coming. इतने गर्मी में आप लोग इतने देर बैठे, it's amazing. Please आप लोग कुछ क्रैनबेरी खाइए, ठंडा भी है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर, थैंक